Math Unit 7, Lesson 7-2. So, the Save Club wants to make papier-mâché globes. To make the paste, each member will mix 3/4 of a cup of white glue with 1/4 of a cup of water. The club has 9 members. They have 1 quart of water. Is there enough water for everyone? So, what number model do we need to do to solve this story? 9 times 1/4. Let's talk about some strategies. Repeated addition is a helpful strategy. I've taken 1/4 and I'm adding it 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would give me 9/4. Since 9/4 is an improper fraction, I want to reduce it. How many wholes can I get out of 9/4? 4/4 makes 1 whole. Can I get 2 wholes out of this? 8/4 would give me 2 wholes. So if I took 8/4 out of this 9/4 to make my 2 wholes, that leaves me with another 1/4 of a cup. So 2 1/4 cups is my answer using repeated addition. I can also look at this problem with relational thinking. So I know that 4 1/4 gives me 1 whole, right? 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, 4/4 gives me 1 whole. 8 1/4, that gives me 2 wholes. I'm left with my 9th 1/4 over here, so I have 2 wholes and 1/4. Again, my answer, 2 1/4 cups. I can draw a picture, so I know there are 4/4. 4 of my 1/4 cups makes 1 cup. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 more 1/4 cups, making a 2nd cup. Here is my 9th 1/4 cup. So altogether, 2 whole cups and 1/4. And we always have our fraction circles. So in the situation, a red circle is going to be my 1 whole. I'm using my 1/4 size pieces. I have 9 of them. And I'm putting together 4 of them to make 1 whole. Another 4 of them to make 1 whole. And here's my last 1/4. Again, I end up with 2 1/4 cups. So, with all of our different strategies, we found that the answer was we needed 2 1/4 cups of water so that everyone would be able to make the paste. Now I have to answer the question. Is that enough water? Okay, if we have 1 quart of water, let's remember this great diagram. Here's our gallon. Here's a quart of water right here. And in this quart of water, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cups. Great! I only need 2 1/4 cups. In a quart of water, there's 4 cups. My answer is yes. There is enough water for everyone. Now, can you tell me my answer, 2 1/4? Between what two whole numbers does this number of cups of water lie? Between what 2 whole numbers? Think about a number line. Where would 2 1/4 land? It would land in between 2 and 3. how much water was left over after the activity? Okay, so there are 4 cups in a quart, and I'm using 2 1/4. 4 minus 2 leaves me with 2 cups. But I still need to take away 1/4 more out of this 2 cups. So if I take away another 1/4 out of this 2 cups, I'm going to be left with 1 cup and 3/4. 1 3/4 cups of water would be left over after the activity. Okay, tomorrow in school we'll do more problems like this. See you then!